Hello guys, how are you all? Myself Akram from Unkickable again with another vlog. Today I want to show you something which I have purchased very recently. Check out what it is. So as you have seen, I have purchased Asus Prime Z270A motherboard and Cooler Master Hyper 212A Evo CPU fan and EVGA 750 watt PSU or SMPS and 16 GB of RAM and i7-7700K processor. I have ordered motherboard, PSU and CPU fan on October 12th, and I have checked out that this i7-8700K was released on 19th of October, and I just want to get that one instead of getting i7-7700K. But there is an issue over here. What are the differences between these two processors? i7-7700K is 4-core based processor which is having 4.5 GHz as base speed, can go up to 4.7 GHz when it is overclocked. i7-8700K has base speed of 3.7 GHz and on overclock it is going up to 4.7 GHz. Basically Z270A motherboard is not capable to run this i7-8700K processor, so I just decided to go with i7-7700K. I have chosen all these parts on budget with high performance. That's it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Please click on like button if you like this video, and please go down below and click on subscribe button to support this channel, and please share it with your friends and family. Have a nice day. You need to be unkickable.